Welcome back to Auto Resolve. Today I will show you how to connect your phone to an ASUS VivoBook 15 using USB, Bluetooth and wireless options.
Method 1. Connect via USB cable. Step 1. Take your phone's original USB cable and plug it into your phone. Step 2. Connect the other end of the cable to the USB port on your ASUS VivoBook 15. Step 3. On your phone, swipe down to see notifications and select File Transfer (MTP). Step 4. On your laptop, open File Explorer and click your phone under This PC. Step 5. Now you can copy, move, or open files between your phone and laptop. Method 2. Connect via Bluetooth. Step 1. On your ASUS VivoBook 15, press Windows I to open Settings. Step 2. Go to Bluetooth and Devices and Step 4. On your laptop, click Add Device, choose Bluetooth. Step 5. Select your phone from the list and confirm the pairing code. Step 6. Once paired, you can send or receive files wirelessly. Method 3. Connect wirelessly. Wi-Fi phone link app. Step 1. On your ASUS VivoBook 15, open the Microsoft Store and install the phone link app. Step 2. On your Android phone, install the linked to Windows app from Google Play. For iPhone, use limited phone link support. Step 3. Sign in with the same Microsoft account on both your laptop and phone. Step 4. On your laptop, open phone link and you'll see a QR code. Step 5. Open link to Windows on your phone and scan the QR code. Step 6. Once connected,